Sabha and Rajya Sabha.
Right, Mr. Lakshman, thank you very much for joining me on this. And now viewers, on to the NEET retest. For the examination scheduled on June 21, Delhi government has now announced special arrangements for the convenience of candidates and their parents. Chief Minister Rekha Gupta said that for the first time, cooling zones are being set up at examination centers to provide relief to students and their families. These zones will include seating areas, clean drinking water, shikanji and other basic facilities for accompanying parents and guardians. The initiative has been introduced to ensure comfort and better management of heat and crowding during the examination day. Arzu Seth is joining us. Arzu, of course, a good step taken, initiated by the Delhi government there. Are other states also expected to make similar measures for the benefit of the students, candidates and their guardians?
Well, yes, several states governments have announced the free bus travel for the candidates appearing in the NEET UG re-examination is scheduled for June 21st, and also the move aims to help the students reach their examination center without additional travel expenses. And also, if we talk about the Delhi government has also announced the free travel for the NEET student, and as well as this new initiative, the Delhi government has made a special arrangement for the convenience of the candidate parents, and the Chief Minister has announced that this is the first time the cooling zones are being set up at the examination centers, and we have earlier seen these type of cooling centers are there at several places in the national capital to help the people from the heat wave, and now these cooling zones will also be set up at the examination centers, keeping in mind the comfort and the convenience of not only the examiners, examinees, those who will be coming to give exams, also their parents and the accompanying family members. And these zones will provide the sitting area, clean drinking water, laminate, and also the other essential amenities. Yes.
All right, Arzu, thank you for joining us on that.